Let's explore how Hyperdocs generate docs from your GitHub codebase. You're starting on the admin dashboard where you'll see the main feature cards, importing existing docs, generating from code, templates, and blank docs. Click Generate Docs from Code. You'll land on the GitHub sync page. Here you can choose to connect GitHub. Pick GitHub. This takes you to a GitHub login screen. Enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're authenticated, you'll see the Install and Authorize screen for your production account. Here you can grant access to just front-end repositories. Confirm your permissions. Once the GitHub is connected, now comes the real payoff. The platform automatically generates documentation from your codebase. You can check the category sections, docs pages with fully written explanations and clear, structured steps. Pause. You can review all the pages and modify if required. Once you reviewed all the pages, hit Publish, and your documentation is live. Scroll down and you'll see even detailed reference tables, like the sign-in options breakdown, are already filled in for you. You now have a complete documentation site ready to use. Try Hyperdocs and generate your docs in minutes.